Week 6. Splash! Can you feel the rain? Welcome to Week 6. Today we meet a friendly goat and sail on a boat. I promise that even longer sentences will feel as easy as summer rain. You are focused and strong. Level 1. Gentle rain. Take a soft breath. Imagine sound on a window. Listen slowly. Would you like them in the rain? Together now. Would you like them in the rain? Beautiful. You stayed focused through a big idea. Level 2. Meet a new character. Characters are like friends we haven't met yet. Listen first. Would you like them with a goat? Read with me. Would you like a goat? Excellent. You're reading about different characters with such ease. Level 3. Imagine drifting on a calm lake. Today, reading feels peaceful. Listen. Would you like them on a boat? Together now. Would you like them on a boat? So steady. Your reading feels just like the water, clear and peaceful. Level 4. You're strong no. It is important to know your own mind. Listen first. I would not like them with any animal. Read with me. I would not like them with any animal. Strong and clear. Your words belong to you. I'm so impressed by your focus. Final level. Let's say them all. You've handled rain, boats, and goats. Let's read together. In the rain, with a goat, on a boat. Incredible! For reading through the rain and sailing the boat, you just earned the Nature Explorer badge. Week 6 is complete. Rain or shine, you're a powerful reader. Parents, we're getting close to the grand finale. Make sure you have subscribed so you don't miss the ending of our book. See you soon!